Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Hope you're having a great day. Today is July the 31st, 2022, and we're looking at our Yardlong beans. They've been producing ever since we amended this soil, did the lasagna layering. We have the black walnut hull powder in the soil to keep the root-boring nematodes away, and it seemed to be working. Right now you're seeing the yellowing of the leaves because we've allowed these vines to go into full production without any real harvesting. We've only been pulling the dry beans off because what we're looking to do is increase our seed stock count, so that way we don't have to keep buying seeds. So I've allowed this to go into full production like this. Now I've been reading up on the Yardlong bean, and what I'm reading is that if you harvest like at this stage here, what you see right here, or a little bit before this stage over here, these guys will keep producing. So we haven't been doing that. That's why you're seeing a dieback. But we're just going to keep riding this one through to see just how long they'll stay green. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as we'll keep you updated on the progress of these Yardlong beans. Have a great day.